Hey guys, it's YourDiviGuy. I came across a problem with the default no results. Let me just save this page, since the change was already applied when I started recording. Never mind. Okay, the issue with this no results found text that's displayed by default once there's no results when you search a term with your search module. You'd probably like to change that because having a default text is not that user-friendly and nice. And in order to change that, you can use the jQuery code solution, which I prefer. You can probably do the same by adjusting the search result page template and using the child theme. However, I think that's too complicated for an issue that's as small as this one. So let's get to the point. You can navigate to your theme builder search result template and add the code module beneath the blog module which is displaying the results. I'll just paste this code for now here, but I'll explain it later. So you can see the result right now. This is my custom text I will be using for this website. And as for the code itself, it contains a jQuery onload function which selects the two heading 1 and this P element here. By selecting them with jQuery, you can change their HTML structure, which can be a custom code. And to make sure this code is only applied to this section, I added a custom class to the section containing all the results in the search result page template and used it in the class selectors. So the three, well, individually, let's go for the H1 first. The three classes I used for this title were search no results class, which is added to the body tag once there is no results, and then I used the custom section class, which you can see right here. And after that, the H1 tag has its own class that's called not found title, which you can see that. So the body class, the custom section class, and the not found title class. .html, currently there is no results for that. And p tag gets a little trickier since it does not contain any classes. So I had to use the custom section class, which I explained earlier. And I use this entry class, which is the first class of the parent elements for this p tag. So I used the same body class, the same custom section class, and then I used entry, and within entry I selected all the p tags, and conveniently there's only one tag for now. And that's about it. I changed its HTML to the following text. And that's it, guys. So feel free to use this code. I'll attach it below in the blog post, and take care.